That's our Big Ben. Good job, buddy. Keeps getting up. Till he gets tired of it, then he crawls. Go see your brother. Can you get your brother? Good job, Ben. You're so close. I'm so proud of you. Wait till Daddy sees. You're doing so great. Hi, Bubba. That all happened today. It's been a big day. You are determined. See you later, dude. Bye. Are you leaving? Now he's going to try to get in the pantry. Who is that yelling over here? Do you need more of your snack? I'm going to get you, get you, get you, get you, get you, get you, get you. I'm going to get you, get you, get you, get you, get you, get you, get you. Alright, Ben, let's get Sam some more snack, okay? You did such a great job today. Yeah, you did. You did such a great job today. Tell us all about it. Really? Did you see something in the pantry?